Earth's surface is constantly changing, thanks to dynamic geological process driven by its internal heat energy. The plates of Earth's brittle outer crust are always in motion, altering the shape of oceans and continents as they do so. Over geological time, Earth's surface and the distribution and size of the continents and oceans has constantly changed, driven by the process of plate tectonics. The cool and brittle rocks of Earth's outermost crust are broken into a number of semi-rigid slabs known as tectonic plates. There are 7 major continent-sized plates and about a dozen smaller ones. Over time, crustal plates have jostled against one another. Hot magma rising from the mantle erupts from rifts in the crust to form new ocean floor crust. This spreads away on either side of the rift to form divergent plate boundaries, mainly beneath the oceans. And, since Earth itself cannot expand, the creation of new oceanic crust requires that the crust is shortened elsewhere by the same amount. This reduction occurs at convergent boundaries where either one plate overrides the other, a process known as subduction, or the plate margins are compressed and buckled to form mountains. One of the major factors controlling the movement and distribution of life on Earth is its varied topography. Its surface features including the towering mountains and volcanoes on land and under the sea. On land, mountains not only hinder the movement of wildlife but alter weather, climate, and local plant life, which in turn impacts upon animal life. Active volcanoes also affect their surroundings when they erupt initially by destroying life, but also, in the longer term, when the weathering and erosion of erupted lava and ash provide new mineral nutrients that fertilize the area. Submarine mountains and volcanic eruptions affect the movement of water, marine life, and the fertility of ocean waters. Many rocks are formed below Earth's surface, and when they are exposed by uplift from pressure within Earth's crust or by retreating seas or rivers, they react in many ways with the atmosphere, water, and living organisms. The physical and chemical processes resulting from the interaction of rocks and minerals with the atmosphere are known as weathering. The processes by which rock material is loosened, dissolved, and transported away is known as erosion. The combination of weathering and erosion wears down Earth's rocky surfaces, layer by layer. Exposed rocks on mountain tops and on the exterior of buildings, for example, are subject to chemical weathering by acid rain and to physical weathering by temperature change and the splintering freeze-thaw effect of ice formation. Bare rock surfaces may also be physically eroded by sand particles carried by the wind. The combined effect of weathering and erosion dissolves some rocks, and reduces others to fragments. As rock debris is broken down and transported by wind, water, and ice, the sediment created becomes increasingly available to life forms, providing important mineral nutrients and a new surface for anchorage and growth.